Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11. Your unit test already has started, so you must pay your full attention. Today on complex number. You have already got one lesson. You must go through that lesson. Then you will follow this. First you have to notice this attentively. Properties of cube root of unit. Omega. This is omega. Omega equal to -1 plus root 3i by 2 and omega square equal to -1 minus root 3i by 2. By cross multiplication also we may get 2 omega equal to this and 2 omega square equal to this also we may get. Now you have to remember omega square plus omega plus 1 equal to 0 and omega square plus omega equal to -1 and omega cube equal to 3. On this, two sums are given from different books. Please pay your attention on the board. This imaginary cube root of unity, so that this equal to 9. Since omega is an imaginary cube root of unity, omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. That is, we are getting from this and this. Now left hand side, after writing the left hand side, we have to simplify. That is omega to the power 4, that we may write omega cube into omega. Omega to the power 8, that we may write omega cube into omega square. This, and omega to the power 10, that we may write omega cube whole to the power 3 into omega. This line is vital, you have to understand clearly. Then we have omega cube, that is 1, and omega cube 1 omega square, and omega cube, that is 1 cube omega. Then we have to simplify. By simplifying we are getting this the a minus b whole square, and this is also a minus b whole square. By applying the formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, we are getting this. Then by multiplication we are getting this. Then we have to arrange in such a way that we will get this frame, and this is why I have taken 1 plus omega square from here. Here minus 2 omega square, 1 plus omega square. Here I have taken, this is why for balancing minus 3 omega square. Same way here plus omega I am considering for getting this frame, and this plus omega is balancing by 3 omega. Then we have to put the value. This value is 1. After putting the value and simplifying, we are getting 9 omega cube. 9 omega cube equal to 1, so it will be 9. That is right hand side proved. Step if you follow attentively, I think easily you will understand. Next sum, prove that this is the given the sum. We have to prove -1. Solution LHS equal to this. Then multiplying numerator and denominator each term by I. This we have to multiply by I. This term also by multiplying by I. Then we are getting this expression. Why multiplying? By multiplying we are getting the frame of formula, that is this minus 1 plus root 3i, minus 1 minus root 3i, minus 1 plus root 3i. For getting this frame, we have to multiply both the terms by I. Then by simplifying and putting the value, this by 2 omega, in this place we may write, that is by cross multiplication we are getting 2 omega square, and this is omega, that is 2 omega. In the same way, here we will get the 2 omega, and this will be 2 omega square. And here the reason is given clearly. You must notice attentively. This and this will be cancelled, so it will be omega to the power 100, and after cancellation we are getting 1 by omega whole to the power 100. Then 100 omega to the power 10 whole to the power 10, same way we are getting this omega to the power 10, that we may write omega cube whole cube. That in this way omega cube, that is known to us, that is 1. Then we have to put the value. After putting value we are getting this, and then by simplifying we are getting omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. Why? The value of omega plus omega square, that is minus 1. So we are getting right hand side, so it is proved. Same thing, step you have to follow attentively. Sum is very simple. You have to remember this, then easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.